Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are here constantly. Love you. My name is Manya, for those who don't know, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Drybar like hairbrush blow dryer because you guys know what's going on. I have the hat on, I have the low bun, and I have the beauty supply store hair sitting next to me. So I'm about to braid my hair. But yeah, so I have a long weekend and I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do it again. So I decided to try it out this weekend. So this is the intro. I'll give my review while I'm trying it out. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel and thank you for watching. This Drybar box came with a shampoo, a conditioner, a heat protectant spray, a dry shampoo, and a detangler. And you guys will see which ones worked for me, which ones didn't, in a few minutes. Okay, I'm doing one more real-time demonstration because this was on a very low setting because I didn't realize if you twisted the knob some more you'd have a higher speed. Also, I don't suggest an African-American woman. I don't recommend using this heat protectant spray. It just made my hair feel weird, so I'm just sticking to my Fantasia heat protector because that just works with my hair texture. So guys, I'm getting better at this, and look at this curl. Like, that's pretty good. I was talking to my mom and she was like, you could honestly silk press it from here. That way you could get your roots, but not damage your hair that much. So this straightener is, or sorry, this hair dryer is so good. What the heck? Finished blow dried product. This was the easiest, most effortless blow dry I've ever done in my life. If I'm looking this way, it's because I can't stop looking in the mirror at it. It still leaves my hair voluminous, but I'm sure depending on the texture, you'd be able to manage like a blowout. Like if you had looser curls, you could probably pull off a blow dry your hair straight instead of blow drying your hair and then straightening your hair in order to save yourself from heat protection. Or from heat damage, sorry. I would say that is nice for me, just the ability to, I started this at like 4:30, it's 5:30 now, and usually blow drying takes me forever with a regular blow dryer because I can never figure out like the angles and like how to get the heat on and move the brush at the same time, and I feel like I end up breaking a lot of my hair off because I'll try to brush and then blow dry and then brush. And I know that's partially just me. Like a lot of people are capable of blow drying. Like my sister, she's capable of blow drying. My cons, I guess just right at the beginning, like when you are starting your hair, it just takes a minute to heat up. But once you do get it to heat up, it's like, it's such a smooth process. Not really a pro or a con, but if you have thick hair like me, you're going to have to do smaller sections because otherwise the brush is not going to be able to get through that. So just be aware of that. Super small sections. Actually, I think it depends on the look you're going for. Like I did medium sections this much and it went through just fine. Granted, it took like an extra 2 minutes, but I think it depends. If you want to go for more of a straight look, go with smaller sections, but if you're just doing this to like braid your hair like me, then go ahead and just do your medium sections and it works just fine. Here is the brush after. It obviously has my shed hair because that was bound to happen, and it does get really hot on the bristles obviously, and then it gets pretty hot up here, but it's manageable, so I was touching that occasionally to help me not pull my hair too much. But yes guys, so I love this brush. The products that came with it are definitely more for white girls, which is fine. So if you are black, I just suggest using, like they had this detangling prep spray. It was okay. And then they have the heat protectant. No, I'd use your own heat protectant, otherwise it gives your hands this weird feeling. And they also have a dry shampoo. Oh, well, part of me was thinking maybe I shouldn't spray that in my hair, but whatever. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed testing this out. I definitely give it a smooth 9 out of 10. If you guys have any other opinions about this brush or any other suggestions, please let me know, and I'll be happy to talk about it in the comments below. Yeah, that's it for me. I still have to braid my hair, so I'm definitely going to stop filming for the night so I can actually get the rest done. But I hope you all enjoyed and have a great rest of your day. Bye.